Look at this with the Cupid arrow going through. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I'm at Michael's, and yes, the sun's in my eyes, but 70% off Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and take you around the store and show you what's ringing up at 70% off, or what's on sale for 70% off. It's pretty good deals, you guys. So all this 70, 70, 70, so I want to show you all this. So pretty good deals. 70 right here, ribbon. So I'm going to take you around the store, okay? And we'll have fun and we'll go shopping with 70% off. Okay. All right, friends. So here's the 70% off aisle. We'll start with this aisle. So these tutus are normally $19.99, so 70% off. So I'm probably going to wait till these go to, hopefully, I mean, like I said, it's always, you just never know what's going to be in the grab bags, but I do want to show you what's at 70% off because it's still a really good deal at 70% off. They have this really cute like nutcracker hat. It's so cute. Soldier hat. I'm not sure what the name of this one is, but it's $12.99, so 70% off of that. You have these really cute little like dinosaurs that are like squishy. $3.99 originally. So everything here again is 70% off. Isn't that the, which one is this? Stegosaurus? Does it say? Squishy dino. I should know all my dinosaurs. But look at how pretty this like flannel ribbon is. Isn't that pretty? And so that was originally $9.99. Look how pretty that is. Alright, so they have foam stickers that are $4.99 originally, down to again 70% off. And what else? Let's see. More ribbon. Oh, look how cute this is. Is this a salt and pepper shaker? Yes, it is. $7.99. Reminds me of Griswold Family Christmas, doesn't it? Totally. How cute is that? Really cute. There's 2 of those left. More of the foam stickers, $4.99 originally. And here's this, what you'll get in the packages. Let's see down here. What is this? Oh, cute little wreaths to like make, you know, ornaments with it or whatnot, little crafts. $3.99. Really cute. What else do they have down here? Let's see. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. 70% off. More ribbon. Lots of ribbon. Okay. What do we have over here? $1 or less. What is this? Oh, they have like a clearance markdown section. Okay, what's in here? How cute. $1.57. What you do is you embroider the items you love. Wait, what, huh? I don't know how that works. Magic paper. It's $1.57. I'm not quite sure how that works. You cut it out, you stick the design, you stitch it, and then there's dissolvable paper with water. That looks interesting. Looks fun. Let's see what else. Okay. Oh, I quickly want to show you they have Valentines stuff at one of my favorite holidays. Seriously, one of my favorite holidays. Look at this, all the hearts. I love it so much. $9.99. So cute. Look at this with the Cupid arrow going through. And so cute. I love hearts. Look how beautiful that is. $9.99. And then these are $4.99. Look how shiny they are, sparkly. And then over on this side, we have, oh, so cute. All these signs. This is $14.99. Love you more. That is nice with the rose, the felt rose, like 3-dimensional. Look how pretty this one is for $12.99. That's so pretty. Again, with all these felt roses. Also, look at the love sign, L-O-V-E, love, $12.99. Super adorable, you guys. So cute. Oh, it was always you. Oh, that is so cute. That's $9.99. That is precious. Let's see what else. Oh, how cute is this? These little like love picks. This was $1.99, or is $1.99. Wouldn't that be cute to put like in a bouquet of flowers for Valentine's Day? And then this one says XOXO, and it's got sparkles. So pretty. All right, and then what else do we have? Oh, this one says Love. And these are $9.99. Let's see over here. They have Valentine cards. Oh gosh, my weakness is garland. I love garland, decorating with garland or banners for different holidays. Look at this with the heart and the pom-poms. $9.99. So cute. And it's 6 feet. And then look at this one with like the cookie cutter hearts and the pom-poms. Oh, that is so, so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then I have one very similar to this. This one's $14.99 with the burlap, with the other types of ribbons in there. So beautiful. And then look at this. It's almost like a peach with like, it's like peach colors. That's different. I like it. It's really pretty. To me, I have my sunglasses on, but it looks like peach, not pink. And that's $14.99 too. So that is really cute. Look at this. How pretty. $9.99. Looks like a bunch of roses. So pretty. We have the ornaments again this year, the heart ornaments, $9.99 for like a Christmas tree, a Valentine Christmas tree. I might do a Valentine Christmas tree this year, friends, because I think that is so cute. Look at these cute little stitching Be Mine little heart shapes. Those are so cute. $4.99. Let's look over here on this side. Oh, Valentine plates for $5.99. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love these kind of curtains for different holidays. I put one up at New Year's, a gold one. It's so much fun to walk through. These things are so fun. It's like holographic. That's $7.99. How fun. And then I just trim it because it's super long, so I just trimmed it to fit my doorway. But this is $7.99. That is so fun for Valentine's Day. Look at these little plates. How cute. Little like cupcake plates. $3.99. You get 12 pieces. Look at that. They're like tiny little plates. How darling. Little bags. You get 6 pieces. Yeah, 6 pieces for $4.99. So cute, huh? So adorable. Oh, little trinket boxes, $6.99. $12.99 for these wreaths. All right, let's find some more Christmas stuff. I could be here all day looking at the Valentine stuff. I love it all, friends. Oh my gosh, there's like spring stuff out. Okay, let's go back to the Christmas stuff, and then I will go back over to the spring stuff if I have time, because I want to show you that as well. Okay, so over here they have the 70% off, and they have these really cute like name tag or letter tags. They're $4.99, so 70% off would be a really good deal, friends. Look at how cute. And then they have, what are these? Little treat bags for $4.99 originally, down to 70% off. You get quite a bit in one bag, you know. You get 24 pieces. The bows are, what are those? Normally $4.99 down to 70% off. Okay, what is all this stuff? Ooh, a candle. This was $19.99, so 70% off. And what's the scent? White spruce. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's a 2-wick. Very nice. Very nice. Look at this little, oh, it smells really good. I can smell it just by opening it. And they have all these Christmas wreaths and made things. I don't know how else to explain it, for lack of better words. Crafting things. I don't know how to explain it, but $69.99 for this lantern was 70% off. This sleigh, Santa sleigh, $69.99. And see, it's all 70% off. Look at this Santa one. I love that. The Santa, $79.99. Down to 70% off. And then I love that cat wreath up there. You see this cat wreath? Oh my gosh, it's like $21.99 or something like that. I love that. And then the gnome wreath up there. All such good deals. And then they have the picks over here for 70% off. They have this cute dog pick, $5.99, so 70% off. Look at the gnome. How cute wreath holder. Isn't that so cute? $9.99 originally. So yeah, really good deals, friends. 70% off is really good deals. $9.99. And then, oh, how cute is this? Look at how cute this is. Oh, so cute. It's like, it looks like a gingerbread cookie, but it's a tree. And that was $5.99 to begin with. Look how pretty that is, the glitter. Love it all so much. Let's see what else. Look at this red truck. I don't know how much this one is. Oh, here it is, $99.99, and then 70% off. Isn't that pretty? That red truck, so classy. Yeah, so there's lots to, there's the spring flowers are here, friends. Beautiful, right? Look at all those gorgeous colors. So pretty. But also I want to show you this side over here. Look how pretty those are. 70% off this fixture. Again, more of the dinosaurs. And what else do they have? They have Christmas cards, $9.99 to begin with. What else? The elf card, elf report card. How cute is an elf report card? What? That's so cute. 24 report cards, 1 calendar sheet, 24 stickers. Originally $1.99. I'll probably have to get that. That's so cute for like our elf on the shelf we have. And look at these. Oh, look at how cute this ornament is. This was $12.99 to begin with. This old-fashioned car. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Let's see, they do have ornaments, friends. Look at this. So it's the shape of it's your letter initial, and it's $4.99 to begin with. Look how pretty that is. The candy cane. Oh, Santa's. Look at this one, St. Nick. $9.99. 70% off. And this big Santa, he is $29.99 to begin with. There he is, so cute. And yeah, they have a bunch of ornaments. Let's see. What is this one? Oh, cute little picks for like cupcakes. They're $1.99 originally. How cute. Let me see over here. They have the LED lanterns. Let's see, these were $12.99 originally. Look how pretty that is. So those are 70% off. And then they have these cute little tree or trucks hauling a tree for $11.99 originally. Oh, okay, they have, these are cute, the holiday pencil party, $4.99. What's over here? Oh yeah, they have more candles. They have white spruce, winter evergreen, normally $19.99. Vanilla tonka potpourri, it was $14.99. They have the little tins. These are $5.99 to begin with. What is this? Buttercream. What is that? What is that? It's frosting, I think. What was that originally? I don't see the price originally. It looks really delicious, though. Let's see what else. I wanted to show you. They have baskets here, over here, for $19.99 to begin with. So, yeah, 70% off. And they have these baskets. Look how cute. $19.99. Really cute. So yeah, they have quite a few things left. They have the stamp sets. These were, let's see how much they are. $9.99. You get all these little stamps in there. And I think that's it for what I'm seeing so far for 70% off Christmas. They don't have like a lot left, but they do have cute stuff. The squirrel, how precious is that? $1.99. So they also have this cute, oh, it's broken, a buffalo plaid. These are so cute. Aww, so sweet. You can write your name on it. And then right there it was originally $2.99. $2.99. Cute, huh? Yeah, oh, and these trees are really pretty too. They're made of like pine cones. Don't know how much this one is. Here we go. $9.99. This was $9.99 to begin with. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that's really cute. Really cute. Oh, they have the little reindeer flasher things. Little fun little flashlight things. And I think that's about it. Oh, did I show you this aisle? I don't think so. They have these buffalo plaid plates, normally $5.99. And you get, how many? 12 pieces. And a little mailbox, North Pole mailbox, originally $14.99. Made of like balsa wood. There's the price. And what is this? A cute little ornament. How cute. It's like you can hang it up with the ribbon there. This was normally $19.99. That's really, really cute, actually. Super, super cute. So, yeah. Look at how cute these bags are, you guys. 24 pieces for $2.99. How cute is that? Oh, my gosh. And then these are $2.99, and you get 18 pieces in there. Frosted like bags. And then here's some spring stuff. Oh my gosh, look at this. Looks like an antique. $5.99. Look how beautiful that is. Little cupcake holder. And then you've got a peach to my heart. Oh, that's so cute. That is $12.99. Okay, so they have so many cute things. Is this an egg timer? Or is this a timer, you guys, for your kitchen? $9.99. Do you hear that? It's totally ticking. That is so cute. So cute. And then they have, these are a little bit bigger than the other ones. These are probably like, yeah, $7.99. They have smaller ones and bigger ones. All right, friends, so I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough through Michael's. And thanks so much for hanging out with me. And I'll see you soon with my next haul. All right, guys, till next time, everybody, take care. God bless. See you soon.